Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Voice Assistant. To begin, simply activate Gemini by saying, "Hey Google," or by tapping the microphone icon on your device. Make sure to speak clearly and directly into your microphone for the best results. Gemini is designed to understand a wide range of languages and accents, making it accessible for many users. Gemini can help with many daily tasks. You can ask for the current weather, set a timer for 15 minutes, or get directions to a new place. It's also great for entertainment, like playing your favorite music. Plus, you can easily send a text message to a contact or make a quick phone call, all hands-free. Beyond the basics, Gemini offers advanced features to enhance your experience. You can customize settings to personalize how Gemini responds and behaves. Create custom routines, allowing one command to trigger multiple actions, like dimming lights and playing music. Gemini also integrates seamlessly with many smart home devices, giving you effortless control over your environment. To get the most out of your Gemini voice assistant, a few tips can help. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection for reliable and quick responses. Regularly update your Gemini app to access the latest features and improvements. Finally, try to provide specific and concise commands. This helps Gemini understand your requests with greater accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.